Hello, beautiful bee people. I will tell you my first 2 fatal beekeeping mistakes. And I'm gonna show them to you in just a second. All right, everyone. So, mistake number 1. When you go to the bee store because you've caught 3 swarms and they really like the triple wax foundation, and as you can see here, I stored them on my porch. Well, didn't really store them. This is where I did all of it yesterday. I framed them up. The problem is the bees smell it. So now I've got honeybees inside my porch. So that's mistake number 1. Lots of them. I mean, it ain't a lot like you would see in a hive, but there's a lot in here. And now they're struggling to try to get out because it's all screened. They feel the air, but they can't find the way out. So that's mistake number 1 for today. And we got lots of lizards here. So hopefully I'll get some chickens and they will rectify that. So try to keep this open with a brick. Try to keep that door open with a brick. Now, the second mistake, which is by far worse than that one, and I don't even want to really admit my flaw on this one, but I will. Second fatal flaw. My second best hive from the swarm was the Queen Victoria hive. I was just at my mentor's, so get my veil out. Because you should always wear your protective gear, right? But the second flawed mistake that I made was in my Queen Elizabeth hive. I'm sorry, Queen Victoria hive. This hive right here. It's doing good, right? Absolutely doing good. I thought it was doing splendid. I had seen the queen, everything was awesome, but made a mistake. And in full transparency, it was 100% my fault. I opened the hive up. I was doing an inspection day before yesterday. And with that inspection, I saw brood, I saw larvae, I've actually got some cap brood today, but I saw the queen, and I went to mark her with the little one-handed marking, one-handed tool, and had her trapped, but the little door wouldn't slide shut on it, and I turned it up to try to push the thing closed, and she flew. And she flew, and I didn't find her. So I hoped that she would go back into the hive. Unfortunately, today in the inspection, I saw 3 queen cups. 3 queen cups. So I set my hive back because I was trying to mark a queen. And it really wasn't even that important to mark the queen. I knew she was in there. I knew she was laying, but I thought I was gonna be slick. And instead, she taught me, she took to the air. Now, those are all bad things. The good thing is, this hive, the Queen Elizabeth hive that I really thought was queenless, either Queen Victoria from over there landed in here, or couldn't find her, because now I've got brood and larvae and all in here. So don't know. All I know is now I still have 2 hives of 3 that are queenless. I mean, one of the 3 are queenless. All of them have brood. All of them so that's all good, but I really set that hive back a month probably. By the time they lay the queen, or they cap the queen cells, and she matures and then flies out and gets mated and comes back, at least a month, right? And then she's got to start laying, and then when she starts laying, you got 3 more weeks, 21 days before her babies hatch. So my own mistakes, instead of just leaving the BBs, cost them. So I guess the best lesson that I've learned from this in my first year, now granted these are not the bees I paid for, doesn't mean I want them not to succeed, but I learned a valuable lesson. You don't need to go in the hives. If I would have just done my inspection, seen her, put her back in, they would have a laying queen and be well ahead of the game. Instead, I've got aging swarm bees and a few babies, and hopefully they make it. Hopefully it makes it. I'm pretty sure it will. I mean, there's got the 3 queen cups, so I'm sure they'll probably put a larva in each one or an egg in each one and mature it out that way. But it's just a point. It was unnecessary, and I caused it 100%. So at any rate, thanks for watching. Don't put your freshly waxed stuff out on the porch so the bees come, and don't go into your hives any more than you have to. So those are the 2 lessons I learned. So anyway, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.